This was the hunting scene of a top predator, the lynx. No one would expect just how powerful a lynx could be. A resting roe deer was already locked in the predator's sights. The deer stood calmly, unaware of the danger ahead. It had no idea that disaster was only moments away. The lynx may not look massive, but it's a fierce and skilled hunter. Its lightning-fast moves strike with deadly precision. To avoid alerting its prey, the lynx crept forward with silent, careful steps. Step by step, it closed the distance. The lynx paused for a brief moment to watch. Then, with explosive speed, it launched the attack. The deer tried to resist, but the lynx clamped tightly onto its throat. Within just a few seconds, the roe deer was overpowered. This was the terrifying efficiency of a lynx hunt.